Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Gaël, I'm a Customer Success Manager for Comeen, and today I will be showing you how you can easily use our feature today for Microsoft Outlook Teams. So the idea here is that you will be equipped with our add-in for Microsoft Teams as a side app in your Teams application. So let's see how this will look like and how you will be able to use it. Once your IT administrator will have equipped you with our Comeen application for Teams, you will be able, according to him, if he pinged it or not, to see the application either here directly on your sidebar, otherwise you can just go and search for it in the apps. So once you will be equipped with Comeen Workplace, you will be able to use it to declare your presence, book desks, and see your colleagues' information directly from your Teams app. So as you can see it here, it's really easy to use. You have a few buttons. For example, here, let's see how you can first edit your teammates list in order to see your colleagues' information and to adjust your presence at the office. So here, for example, you can just click on this button here. Then you can choose which of your teammates you want to add. Either you can type their mail address or just their name. So let's see here with another of my colleagues who already have Benjamin Gauthier. I want now Benjamin Rosebrook. So I'll just add him to my team. And for example, if one of my colleagues leaves the team, I can just remove him from it by clicking on one of those buttons. So pretty easy to do. And once you have updated this teammate list, you will see their information directly in this team schedule, as you can see it here. Of course, you also find yours in order to see your planning for the upcoming week. Now, let's say that you want to do a booking. So as you can see it here, I already had my booking for the day, but now I just canceled it and I'm going to create a new one. So super easy. You just need to click on the date. So here I want this date to be taken into account. Then you will be deciding what is your work activity for the day. So I'm going to the office, and then you'll be able to decide whether if it's all day, in the morning or in the afternoon. So here it's a full day for me. And then you will be able to pick from the different office and buildings list you have here. So here I will be working from Bordeaux. You can select the floor in which you will be working and also the area. So here, let's say that I want to be with the IT team. Afterwards, I can also decide to have equipments. So here you'll just be clicking on the equipments you need. So here I'll say, okay, I want a dual screen. And also you can ask for what we call office extras, which are an additional option. More than only the booking, you can also have extra options, such as, for example, a parking slot, a locker, and why not other services such as water bottles, coffees, etc. So here I'll just say that I want a dual screen as an equipment and also that I want to be able to park my car. And once it is done, you just need to click on book a desk, and Comeen will automatically find you a desk with the different criteria you just fulfilled. Then, once you arrive to the office, to confirm to your team that you are indeed in the office, you can just click on check-in, which will confirm your reservation. And once you have finished your day, if you leave earlier, you can also check out. So the space is freed up for your other colleagues, for example, to book the desk you were using. So pretty easy to use. As you can see, you see also the different bookings you made on the side of your screen here. So you can see you can have different kind of presences. Here I have the same presence I just booked. But let's say, for example, on Monday, I plan to not go to the office, but to work from home. So here I just use this information and etc., etc. Afterwards, you can even cancel the presences you have in your schedule if needed. Once you have made your different bookings, you can go back to the home page in order to see where you'll be seated at for the day. So here, as you can see, I can already view where my desk is located. So this way, I will be able to see where I need to leave my stuff at and where I can take a desk, since this one has been booked for me. Also, when you have colleagues in the office, you will be able to see them on one of those blue points. So here they are not used because we are on Friday and most of my colleagues are on remote. But otherwise, I could see appear their picture associated with the desk. So I would see, for example, my colleague Quentin or Thomas, and their picture appearing in front of those blue dots, which can be pretty useful when you want to see where your colleagues are in an office that you know or even don't know. One last thing you could be interested in is the chatbot that is associated to our application. So as you can see here, you have the button home that leads to our application. And if you click on chat, you will be able to see the different actions we can do through this chat. So here you can see that you can do your check-in from here, ask for help, log in and log out. And also, this is where you will be notified by Comeen if you have any notifications coming towards you, such as a reservation that has been cancelled, or your confirmation reminder, which is the check-in notification, etc., etc. So you'll see by using Comeen that it is a very complete application already, and we are still improving it on a daily basis. So we hope to see you using it very soon.